Megabar concern, is Megabar app controllers, Megabar concern.rb has a controller init methods that prepare everything you need to send to the view configuration. The view has all the new create, edit, destroy, edit, show methods that are usually in the regular controllers. Megabar controllers don't need these unless you want to override the index method, and that's fine. But who needs it? Because it's in this concern. This will make your life a lot easier. We also have I have some stuff in the application helper, the model concern, and some service objects. But bottom line is we've really dried things up. You'll see a lot less code when using Megabar. We have rake tasks. Megabar uses seed data to store configurations for things, and they're loaded into apps with this typical rake task, but you can see that it is namespaced as well. Data load, Megabar data load, and you can dump it with Megabar dump seeds, and seeds get back and merged into master. I invite you to learn more about Megabar. I'd be happy to talk more in detail about that. I was talking about combustion a bit. Rails engines are tested within the repo. There's a fake app living within your repo that it uses to test things. With combustion, there's some config. You have to add a development dependency in your gem spec. You have to put combustion in your gem file. You have to bundle exec combust on the command line to get it kind of rolling, and then combustion initialize in your spec helper before you require RSpec Rails. The bundle exec combust creates a spec internal directory with a DB and config directories. You can add spec internal and app models if you want them, but so far I haven't needed a separate set of app model directories. And it will mount the engine in its own little route file for you. Just one little thing from one of my specs. Here's assigns a new model as new, and I'm going to have to use route Megabar, otherwise nothing works. So there's a couple tweaky things about writing specs for engines, but overall, now that I'm on a roll with it, it's okay. So that's about it about engines. We're at an early state of development with Megabar. We're focused on making the core MVC and API projects really rock solid before we go deeper into kind of the multi-site hosting or multi-site stuff. We've got one developer, Gizzard, Rubo, copying the whole code base. Need some help getting support for data display items like checkboxes, radio buttons, text areas, WYSIWYGs, file uploads. Specs, asset management, user roles, admin UX. If you'd like to contribute to a Rails project, I know some companies like you to, have some outside work. Here's a good one because you can really dig your teeth into it. And we could, we're aiming high. It's a powerful idea. We got a really good start. I think the model's successful already. I've seen it work in production in PHP like this for many years, saving hordes of stuff. That's about it. Rails engines let you reuse all sorts of stuff: generators, initializers, migrations, libraries, seeds, routes, tasks, all sorts of things. Really can help organize your code for you. Got a list of resources for you, and go ahead and check out Megabar. And if you're at all interested, contact me. I'll probably send a little jar around. You can drop your email in and I'll get you onto the Slack. And it's an active Slack community now, growing to talk about everything. All right, thank you very much. That's Rails Engines on Pages.